Good morning, dear learners. Myself, Yogesh Kanade, lecturer at Due Charitable Societies Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Due. In this video, we are going to talk about adrenergic drugs and adrenergic antagonists. First of all, adrenergic drugs. The drugs that produce pharmacological effects like adrenaline or noradrenaline or drugs which bring about stimulation of sympathetic system are known as adrenergic drugs. All of us already know that adrenaline or noradrenaline are the neurotransmitters of your sympathetic system. After biosynthesis, whenever an action potential is generated, store noradrenaline into the synaptic cleft, it is released, then it is going to interact with alpha and beta receptors of your sympathetic system and it is going to produce the effect on the different organs. For example, adrenaline by interacting with the beta receptor present in heart, it increases heart rate and force of contraction. Therefore, adrenergic drugs means the drugs which mimic the actions of adrenaline or noradrenaline. Mimic means the drugs which produce similar effects, that is similar pharmacological actions as like adrenaline or noradrenaline. They are known as adrenergic drugs, or the drugs which stimulate sympathetic system are known as adrenergic drugs. They are also known as sympathomimetics or adrenomimetics. Now the word mimetics, mimetic it stands for mimic. जे ड्रग ॲड्रेनालिन किंवा नॉन ॲड्रेनालिन न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर जे आपल्या शरीरात त्याच्यासारखे जे ड्रग्स ऍक्शन प्रोड्यूस करते त्याला आपण म्हणतो मिमिक. मिमिक्री म्हणजे काय? कॉमन टर्म आपण मिमिक्री यूज करतो. मिमिक्री म्हणजे काय की एखाद्याची हुबेहूब नक्कल करणे त्याला आपण मिमिक्री म्हणतो. मग आपल्या शरीरामध्ये जे ॲड्रेनालिन किंवा नॉन ॲड्रेनालिन न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर प्रेझेंट आहे त्याच्यासारखे जे ड्रग्स ऍक्शन प्रोड्यूस करतील म्हणजे मिमिक करतील त्याला म्हणतात सिम्पॅथोमायमेटिक्स. कारण की हे सिम्पॅथेटिक सिस्टीमवर ऍक्ट होतात. therefore sympatho that stands for sympathetic system mimic the action, therefore the name that is sympathomimetics or adrenomimetics. Example: acetylcholine, pilocarpine, salbutamol, etc. Classification: depending upon chemical classes, it is mainly classified into two classes. The first one, that is catecholamines, containing a catechol nucleus along with the amine group, therefore it is known as catecholamines. Example: adrenaline, noradrenaline, isoprenaline. Second class, that is non-catecholamines, means the drugs in which catechol and amine is absent, that is catechol nucleus is absent, therefore it is named as non-catecholamines. In that, the first class, that is containing phenylethylamine skeleton. Example: salbutamol, phenylepinephrine, ephedrine, pseudoephedrine. Aliphatic amines, cyclopentamine. Imidazoline derivatives containing a imidazoline heterocyclic ring. Example: nafazoline. Then the first drug for your study, that is adrenaline. If you see the structure properly, first we are going to find out the basic skeleton. Now in this structure, I have considered this group as a basic structure, this one, along with this one. या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये मी काय केलं, आपण नियमाप्रमाणे काय म्हणतो, फर्स्ट आय हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. आय हॅव आयडेंटिफाइड दिस ॲज अ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. दोन कार्बन आयटम्स आहेत, हायड्रॉक्सी ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे, दॅट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ युअर इथेनॉल. देन आय हॅव गिवन द नंबरिंग 1 and 2. At second position, methyl amino group is present. This is methyl, this is amino, therefore it is methyl amino group is present at second position. And at first position, 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl group is present. फिनिलच्या तिसऱ्या आणि चौथ्या पोझिशनला काय दोन हायड्रॉक्सी ग्रुप आहे, therefore 3,4 dihydroxy. and this is the structure of your phenyl. म्हणजे पहिल्या पोझिशनला कोणता सबस्टिट्यूट ग्रुप आहे 3,4 डायहायड्रॉक्सी फिनिल आणि सेकंड पोझिशनला काय मिथिल अमाइनो and in the last the basic structure that is ethanol. This is your structure and chemical name of adrenaline. Properties: it occurs as white or creamy white crystalline powder or microcrystalline powder, odorless and slightly bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ethanol. Uses: as it is going to stimulate your sympathetic system, it is used to get relief from bronchial spasm in asthma condition, to treat heart block and cardiac arrest, in treatment of acute allergic reactions, that is hypersensitivity reactions, to control superficial hemorrhage of nose and throat. Along with that, it is also used as a mitrative. In combination with local anesthetics, it is used to prolong the duration of action of local anesthetics. In your pharmacology, there is one give reason which is asked in your annual examinations: why local anesthetic drugs are given along with adrenaline. It is given with adrenaline to increase the duration of action of your local anesthetics. Stability storage: as it contains a catechol nucleus. Now the drugs in which catechol nucleus is present, it is easily affected by atmospheric oxygen. That is, oxidation of catechol nucleus takes place and also affected by light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: adrenaline injection IPVP, adrenaline eye drops IPVP, adrenaline solution BP, lignocaine and adrenaline injection BP. Then the second drug, that is noradrenaline. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, it is very soluble in water, practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether. Stability storage: it slowly darkens on exposure to air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of hypotension and acute cardiac infarction. Official preparation: noradrenaline injection BP, noradrenaline solution, that is also official in your British Pharmacopoeia. Then the next drug, that is isoprenaline. Same way, in the structure of isoprenaline also, I am going to consider ethanol as a basic skeleton, then give the numbering to the structure of ethanol. At the second position, now this is your isopropyl, and to isopropyl amino group is present, therefore it is isopropyl amino, and 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl group is present at first position. पहिल्या पोझिशनला 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl group आहे आणि दुसऱ्या पोझिशनला isopropyl amino group is present. Now write down in alphabetical order: 1 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl, 2 isopropyl amino, and in the last write down the name of the basic skeleton, that is ethanol, or the basic structure, that is ethanol. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water, practically insoluble in ethanol and in chloroform. Uses: same as like adrenaline. Stability storage: as it is also containing a catechol nucleus, therefore easily oxidized and also affected by light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: isoprenaline injection IPVP, isoprenaline tablet IP, isoprenaline aerosol, that is official in your British Pharmacopoeia. Then the next drug, that is phenylephrine. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water and in ethanol. Stability: storage same as under adrenaline. Uses: it is used in treatment of nasal congestion as a mydriatic drug, that is to produce mydriasis effect, in treatment of bronchial asthma, in treatment of hypotension. Official preparation: phenylephrine injection BP, phenylephrine eye drops IPVP, phenylephrine tablet IPVP. That are your official preparations. The next, that is salbutamol. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and tasteless. It is soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in water. Uses: it is used in treatment of bronchial asthma. Stability: storage, it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: salbutamol injection BP, salbutamol tablet IPVP, salbutamol aerosol IPVP. Then the next drug, that is ephedrine. Properties of ephedrine: it is colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, slight aromatic odor and a bitter taste. It is soluble in water and in ethanol. Storage: it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used to treat bronchial asthma, in nasal congestion, as a mydriatic drug and in treatment of myasthenia gravis. Official preparation: ephedrine tablet IPVP, ephedrine nasal drops IP, ephedrine elixir BP. Pseudoephedrine. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water and in ethanol. Stability, storage and uses same as under ephedrine. Official preparation: pseudoephedrine syrup USP, pseudoephedrine tablet USP, pseudoephedrine and triprolidine tablet IPVP. Terbutaline. Properties: it is white or grayish white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water, slightly soluble in ethanol. Stability, storage: it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of bronchial asthma. Official preparation: terbutaline elixir IPVP, terbutaline aerosol, that is official in British Pharmacopoeia. Here we complete the first topic, that is adrenergic drugs, sympathomimetics or adrenomimetics. Now we will see the second topic, that is adrenergic antagonist. Now in PNT you have already studied the meaning of antagonist. Antagonist means one drug is going to inhibit the action of another drug. एक ड्रग दुसऱ्या ड्रगची ऍक्शन इनिबिट करतो. मग जो ड्रग दुसऱ्या ड्रगची ऍक्शन इनिबिट करतो त्या ड्रगला आपण म्हणतो अँटागॉनिस्ट. इथे काय वर्ड यूज केलंय? एडर्नर्जिक अँटागॉनिस्ट. म्हणजेच काय? These are the drugs which is going to inhibit the action of your neurotransmitter adrenaline or noradrenaline, or it is going to inhibit the action of your adrenergic drugs. Clear? Then what is the definition? The drugs which inhibit or decrease or block the responses of endogenous or exogenous circulating adrenaline or noradrenaline, or which inhibit the stimulation of your sympathetic system are known as adrenergic antagonist. आपल्या शरीरामध्ये जे न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर आहे त्या न्यूरोट्रान्समीटरची ऍक्शन इनिबिट करणे किंवा जे adrenergic ड्रग्स आपण एक्सटर्नली यूज करतोय त्या ड्रगची ऍक्शन इनिबिट करणे किंवा सिम्पॅथॅटिक सिस्टीमचं स्टिम्युलेशन इनिबिट जे ड्रग्स करतील त्याला आपण म्हणतो ॲडिनर्जिक अँटागॉनिस्ट. दे आर ऑल्सो नोन ॲज अँटी ॲडिनर्जिक ड्रग्स और सिम्पॅथोलायटिक्स. अँटी म्हणजे काय? अगेन्स्ट. कोणत्या ड्रग्सच्या अगेन्स्ट दे आर प्रोड्युसिंग द ॲक्शन? दॅट इज ॲडिनर्जिक ड्रग्स. or the second word that is sympatholytics, that is about your adrenergic antagonist. Example: atenolol, propranolol, ergotamine, that is your ergot alkaloids like ergotoxin, ergotamine, parazosin, etc. These are your adrenergic antagonists. I will give a simple example. In demonstration of your pharmacology practicals, we have seen that when adrenaline drug is given to an isolated frog heart, there is increase in heart rate and force of contraction. आपल्या शरीरामध्ये सुद्धा adrenaline it causes increase in heart rate and force of contraction. पण propranolol, atenolol like drugs काय produce a opposite action. They decreases heart rate and force of contraction. आपण अँटी हायपरटेन्सिव्ह ड्रग्स मध्ये एक्झाम्पल बघितलं, दॅट इज प्रोप्रेनॉल, ॲटिनॉल. अँटी हायपरटेन्सिव्ह ड्रग्स आहेत, हायपरटेन्शन मध्ये यूज केल्या जातात. का? तर ब्लड प्रेशर कमी होईल, दॅट इज डिक्रीज इन हार्ट रेट अँड फोर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन. क्लासिफिकेशन: अल्फा ॲडिनो रिसेप्टर अँटागॉनिस्ट, सब क्लासिफाइड इनटू क्लासेस लाइक हॅलोअल्किल अमाइन्स. एक्झाम्पल: phenoxybenzamine, dibenzamine, then imidazolines. Example: phentolamine, tolazoline, ergot alkaloids like ergotoxin, ergotamine, specific alpha 1 receptor antagonist, that is parazosin, terazosin, specific alpha 2 receptor antagonist, that is yohimbine, beta adenoreceptor antagonist, specific beta 1 receptor antagonist atenolol, practalol, specific beta 2 receptor antagonist butoxamine, mixed beta 1 and beta 2 receptor antagonist, that is propranolol and thymol. We already know that sympathetic system has two different kinds of receptors. One is alpha receptor and second is beta receptor. हा जो first class है, this is the first class of drugs which are inhibiting the action by acting on alpha receptor, and second class जो है they are inhibiting the action of your beta receptor. त्याच्यामुळे atenolol, practalol, propranolol, thymol, these are used in treatment of hypertension, that is to decrease the blood pressure. This was classification of your adrenergic antagonist. One drug for your syllabus with their structure, that is propranolol. Now if you see the structure of propranolol, first of all we are going to find out the basic structure. Now in this I am going to consider this part as a basic skeleton: CH2, CH, CH2, OH. Now there are how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3 and hydroxy group. It is the structure of your propranolol. It is the structure of your propranolol. I am given the numbering, that is propyl alcohol. It is the structure of your propyl alcohol. I have given the numbering 1, 2 and 3. At first position, the name of the substitute group is isopropyl amino. This is your isopropyl, this is amino, therefore it is isopropyl amino. And at third position, the second substitute group is naphthaloxy. Now this is when two benzene rings are fused with each other and a hydroxy group is present. It is the structure of your naphthaloxy. Therefore the chemical name will be first position, first substitute group 1 isopropyl amino. The second is present at third position, therefore it is 3 1 naphthaloxy. And this is propranolol मध्ये hydroxy group कोणत्या position ला आहे? It is present at the second position, therefore this 2 stands for to denote the position of your hydroxy group, 2 propranolol. This is structure and chemical name of propranolol. Properties: it is white powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is soluble in water and in ethanol. Uses: it is used in treatment of hypertension, cardiac arrhythmia and angina pectoris. Stability storage condition: it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: propranolol tablet IPVP, propranolol injection British Pharmacopoeia. Then the second drug, that is Practalol. If you see the properties of Practalol, Practalol occurs as white powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is sparingly soluble in ethanol, slightly soluble in water. Stability storage conditions: it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: used in treatment of hypertension, cardiac arrhythmia and angina pectoris. Official preparation: Practalol injection, official in British Pharmacopoeia. Then the last drug, that is Tolazolin. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, slight aromatic odor and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water and in ethanol. Stability storage: it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of peripheral vascular disorders. Official preparation: Tolazolin tablet, which is official in your British Pharmacopoeia. In this video, we have studied about adrenergic drugs, classification, and the important drugs like adrenaline, isoprenaline, etc. Then the second topic we have covered in the same video, that is your adrenergic antagonist or anti-adrenergic drugs or sympatholytics, and the important drug, that is your propranolol. Thank you.